We'll guide you through how to add a welcome bot in a Discord server. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So whenever a new member joins, they automatically receive a welcome message. This is a great way to make your server feel more active and friendly, especially for new member joining for the first time. There are many popular bots, but in this video, we will be using ProBot, which is one of the most popular and easy to use bot for welcome messages. Now, let's start by creating a welcome channel if you already don't have one. Just click on the plus icon in the text channel and create a channel named as welcome. And just create a channel, and after you have successfully created a welcome channel, just click on the server name on the top left and go to app directory. In the search bar, just search for ProBot and just add the ProBot to your server. Just click on visit site and select the server where you want to add ProBot. In my case, it's going to be GuideRealm. After selecting, just click on continue and make sure to authorize it and confirm you are a human. And after you have added ProBot to your server, just go to your server once again and you will see ProBot in the left hand side. And after adding ProBot, just right click on the ProBot and click on profile. And just click on the link for the ProBot and click on visit site. And just click on login and just authorize your account. And now go to your browser once again. And in the left hand side, you will see an option under module settings labeled as welcome and goodbye. Just click on it and make sure to toggle on send a message when user join a server. You can even add an image by toggling on send an image when a user joins the server. Now in the message, you can type any message to your liking, for example, and you can start typing your message like welcome. And to mention the user, you can just use variable, just select the variable and press Ctrl C on your keyboard and press Ctrl V to paste it. And you can type to, and if you want to mention the server name, just copy the server variable like so by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste it. And you can just select your channel, just click on the drop down and select the welcome channel that we created earlier, or you can even toggle on send as a DM. After doing that, just click on save changes. And that's it. Your welcome bot is now fully set up.